What's up, everyone? It's your boy Doom, and we're back doing another video on Pixel Strike 3D. So basically, I'm gonna be reviewing a weapon. I guess I'm gonna review the redesigned marksman rifle. I kind of wanted to review this, but the air shout thingamabob. But now since it's back, I'm gonna review this. I'm gonna do the urban skin because I just like that little white camo. And I'm gonna go on infected because this is probably the best time to use. Oh yeah, I was saying how I was gonna record a video. So yeah. I can't really do it right now because I'm a zombie. I gotta make sure that I'm not a freaking zombie. Ugh. They're smart enough to guard both sides. So yeah. I wanna get I'll be back. Yep. Die! 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 Yeah! I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it! Woohoo! So, I finally met someone that has prestige level 6. I did not know this. So, pretty insane, Squirtle. I didn't know Squirtle had that. Pretty insane. Game. Skip the damn ad. Oh, what? I'm a zombie. Like, I'm gonna edit this full cap because I do not like this. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna edit that because I don't like that was just crappy footage. No one cares about that part. Okay. Run. It has a new look to it. That's what I know. It's a 2-shot kill. It reloads as fast as a blunderbuss, which sucks. Alright, I'm messing everything up. Yeah, I'm really accurate. Well, the pros and cons is basically the first pro, the design just looks so good. Another pro about it is that lots of ammo, it fires really fast. You can do a lot of no-scopes with it, it's really good. You can kill a lot of people. So, I don't know how I'm doing really good gameplay with this, it kind of makes no sense. Sorry, I'm not that accurate. What? He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Eventually. Screw this. If it's gonna do that, I'm just gonna start this thing. So, another pro about it is that shoots really fast. Yeah, so it's really accurate because it's a sniper, but unless you're no-scoping, because if you're not no-scoping, then it can be really inaccurate. You have to know what you're doing. You have to exactly. Screw you. Die. die. He almost killed me. I was about to knife battle him. Like, my knife's a lot better. Except he doesn't even have a knife. So, yeah. I'm not sure if I'm winning. Yeah, I am winning. But, yeah. Since I'm a nice guy, I'm going to give him the shout out. So, shout out to Sebastian, I think. And who's the other dude? Yobani. I think's his name. Die. So then the cons about this, first of all, reload speed's just as fast as the blunderbuss, which means it's 5 seconds. So that means it's really bad. I wanted to use it on Infected, but when you want to do no scopes, it just doesn't work. I am so tempted to try to do the automatic glitch. Oh yeah, boy! Woohoo! You'll never know where I am. Boy, get wrecked. Yep. I'll show you how to do this in another video. Oh, wow. This is so cheating. But yeah, that's basically it. Overall, get the 50 cal, not this thing. It looks nice, but just get the 50 cal because it's a lot better of a sniper. Well, overall, I don't even recommend having a sniper. If you want to go Infected, I guess it works. It's fun. For fun, Infected, I guess it works. But yeah, it's kind of it. So yeah. So yeah, it has a lot of ammo. Extended max is 18, so shoots pretty fast. It looks cool. I just don't know how they got. I don't know how you fit 20. I don't know how you can fit 12 bullets in this thing. But who cares? Yeah, that's kind of it for the review. Overall, I think it's fun. It's a cool weapon, but there's better guns to get than this. Okay. The 50 cal is a lot better of a sniper. Oh yeah, by the way, I hope they add another sniper. I kind of like enjoy sometimes using the snipers. They're fun. Because the 50 cal is a one-shot headshot, and yeah, you just say, sure. Yeah, so that's kind of it. So yeah, I hopefully enjoy this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because I will be posting videos like quite a bit. I'll be uploading a lot of videos, because why the heck not? And yeah, so basically, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, so go check out my other videos. I have a playlist called Do Multiple Videos on Strike 3D. You can see it has all my videos. I add the videos I make daily, like very recent. So, and if you're subscribed, you automatically know when I'm going to make videos. So, basically, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.